guys, I'm going to show you how to make a paper 4 cups. First you have to take a square paper and fold it like this 2 times. Once like this and one more time you have to open it like this and fold it like this again and open it and keep it like a square like this, and now you have to fold it like this and you have to open it again and fold the other direction like the same. Now you have to open it and you have to fold this like this corner to the middle, this also, 4 sides the same. My channel name is Sriza Kotturu. Please can you go and subscribe? I'm only at 10 subscribers, please. Sorry guys. You don't get it like this, so you have to flip it and fold it right here.